Good afternoon. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. So the goal of this video is how we can convert our Excel sheet, our spreadsheet into an app. For example, this is an app we are creating. You can see I've created this app. Now I turn this to this, right? So I will go to let's create the app. So two things you need. You need an AppSheet account and a Gmail account because AppSheet is owned by, so you have to have two accounts, AppSheet account and Gmail account. So I will go to my AppSheet. Since I've created the account already, I'm not creating any account again. Then for my Gmail, then I need my spreadsheet is there already. So you have to create a spreadsheet and at least you must have one line of information because your app cannot be empty. So you see, this is my information and this is a sales tracker. So why are we doing this? Imagine Miss Flora is tired of manual data entry. So and she said, I wish there was an easy way. Of course, there is an easy way. So we are converting Miss Flora spreadsheet into an app. So she can always input data anywhere, anytime, any day. Even when there is no internet connection, you can input data. And once there's connection, it will synchronize. So let's go and create our app. So the first thing you do, this is the one I've created so far. You can see this is what we are creating. I'll go to my app sheet. So you will see what is called create, right? So you click create, you see app, start with existing data. Yes, the data that will be created in our sheet. So start with it. Let's call it sales tracker, sales manager. I've already created sales tracker, sales manager. So let's call our app sales manager. Then I will attach the sheet into my link so you can download it and pass along, or can create yours. So you can see this is the sheet. I will pick it. So it's loading now. So I will go to, you see, they will send me an email that my app is ready. So let's go to my email and see what is there. You can see app sheet here. That is the app. You can see. Congratulations, Sales Manager is created and ready to be configured. So I'll go and configure it. You can see. I'll scroll down. I will scroll down. So now there are some features in AppSheet that you have to get used to. Number one, data. Data is where you manipulate your data, and you have view. Like we have screen, the home screen, the next, so it's called view in AppSheet. Then we have actions. We have automation where you can automate your app. Then we have intelligence. These are tools that are free, and they are free actually. So, but for now, you are building something simple, right? So the app is ready yet. You can see it's ready, but it needs a a bit of tweaking. So let's tweak our app. So I'll go to my data. You can see you must have this sales ID. This is sales ID. You can see unique ID. I have a full course on how to create app sheet. So far, I've created app sheet for logistics company. I've created an app for fashion space, even for school payment app. You know, I've created a lot of apps using this platform. So customer, make sure the type are correct, date is correct. A customer phone number, phone should be phone. Yeah, phone. So if there's any mistake, it will affect your calculation. If there's a space that you need to calculate, it will affect it. So category, I'll pick Enom. What is Enom? Enom means it will allow a drop down. It will enumerate, it will list. So category, I'll go to my sales tracker. I have category food and groceries, right? So I'll go to my sales manager app. I'll come here, this pencil sign, I'll click it. I'll go to this enum, so it will allow for drop down. I'll go to autocomplete. I'll click it. Then I will add the value. Those categories, food, 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 then groceries. Groceries, then I will scroll down. So there are option here, auto, button, stack, but I want the drop down. So I'll click on drop down, right? Then I'll click done. Now, let's see if it has. Then I will save it. Okay, save. Then I will go back. Let's see if it has worked. Category, let's see. Awesome. So we have it. So let's do for quantity. No, okay. For sales amount. So I want something. So once I input quantity and price, I want an automatic calculation. So you can see. So I will go to formula. I will scroll this way. Okay, this formula, sales amount formula, right? So what's my formula? Formula is need price, but the best is to use this column header, so you won't make mistake. So I'll come here, I'll pick quantity. I'll, I'll click on insert star, then the unit price, right? Okay, this is it. Insert. Once you have this check, it means your formula is correct. Alright, that one is done. Then for the payment status, yeah, pending or paid. Same thing we did. Enum. Don't forget, enum is for what? For drop down. enumerate, to list. So I will click on also value, pending, right? Then paid, paid. So those who has paid and those who are yet to pay, they are in pending. So I'll click on auto complete. Don't forget this, very, very important. You must check it. Then drop down. I'll click done. Then also sales rep. So who are the sales rep in charge of our sales? Yeah, it's very important also. Let's do a drop down. So we don't need to type their name. So we just pick from the drop down. So don't forget we have John. Let's check. We have John, Mary, and Peter. So we have John, Mary, and Peter. John, Mary, then we have Peter, right? Don't forget autocomplete other value is very, very important. Drop down. Then we have location. Let's leave that location for now because we can have sales. We can have order from different locations. So I will save it. Once I'm done with that, you will see. You can see the drop down. But initially, you have to type those name of our sales rep. Then I will go to settings. So I want to do like a theme and brand. So I'll go to setting, then I'll click on theme and brand. So I can either pick light if you prefer light theme or light or dark. So let's go for light for now. So I will input app logo, and this is very, very important. Your logo must not be on your local machine, meaning must not be on your system, must be on the Google Drive. Very, very important. You must save your your image either on your drive, either OneDrive, you know, very, very important. So I've saved mine already. So I will scroll down. This part can be confusing. So once you click this part, custom, it means you want to bring your own image. Then you see something like this. Don't panic. Just click on this card, right? Then I'll go and pick my logo. You can see this is my logo. I will also use same logo, custom. Same thing here. So I will save it. If I want my app to also have this sign, this this feeling of a real app, right? Then show view, view name in header, yes. Show logo, yes. So I will click on save. I will save it. So let's see our app. Now you see that this is our app. So all the information in my sales tracker here are now being transported into this app. You can see the information, every information on my sheet is now showing here. Awesome. This is a game changer for data entry experts. So what next is very simple. So if I want to do a dashboard, like I want to see the product that is doing very well, I can also do a dashboard, right? So I said something about view. This this place is this says tracker or sales manager is one view, right? Sales tracker is one view. This is one view. So if I want another view that can show my dashboard, I will go to this place called view. I'll click on view, right? I will pick dashboard view. This view should be sales manager. I don't want sales tracker. Okay, so I want a new view, right? So I'll click on plus, create a new view. So I'm creating a new view and you can see new view. I'll call that view sales dashboard. So this is where I can see which product is doing very well. Sales tracker, you can see. So for this data, I will still use this data because this is just a simple app. If I have like two, three, four sheets, then I have to select. But because we have only one sheet, so I will pick this, right? So because I want to do a dashboard, a sales dashboard, so I will pick on view type. I will pick chart. Of course, it's a dashboard. I'll pick chart. So I'll pick chart. I will go to sales amount. Yeah, I want to see the product that is doing very well, right? I will go to chart column, then I will pick the product that is doing well. If you want the customer, you can be customer name, but I want the product that is doing very well. So I want to know. You can see we have rice doing greatly, 170,000. So I will just scroll down. So that's all. The color, okay. I will save it. So if I prefer the color of the app to align with the color of my logo, I'll go to themes and brand, then I'll go and pick that color. I think this align with my logo. I'll save it. Then the app is ready. So now if I want to share the app with someone else, I will go to share. Then I will type the person's email address, right? And the person must be using Gmail. Very, very important. Yeah, that's it. Now, how do I deploy this on my phone? This is on the web. Now, how do I put this app on my phone? Okay, before I showed you that, let's practice if what we did is correct. Now, I will click, let's add, let's assume that this is my phone now. And I want to input a new data. You can see this is 7, right? This is 7. So I want to input a new data that it will show on 8 instead of inputting data via my spreadsheet. So I can use the app. Now I will come here, I will go to, you can see automatically the sales ID is being generated because why? You can see my data. I use something like a unique ID. The the app sheet itself automatically give you that formula, unique ID. So it will generate the ID by default. Now let's input a new name. Let's say Flora Limited, right? Flora Limited, phone number, product. Let's say product. Oh, let's do a drop down for our product. Oh, our product too must have a drop down. Let's say our product needs a drop down too. Our product. So let's say we have our product spaghetti. We have category food, right? Quantity. Let's say we have 6. Let's say the price is being known. I can also do a drop down like a formula that the price will pop up once I click on the product. But for now, let's assume that we have 1,000 naira for the spark. You can see if I click next now, the sales amount will by default, let's say she has paid, you can see 6,000 naira. I will show you in my next video how to convert this dollar to naira. So the sales rep Mary, so I can click save. Now if I click save now, the data will appear here. You see, this is it. You can see Flora Limited, food, 1,000, 6,000 naira, paid, Mary. You can see. Oh, I didn't put the location. That's how it works. So let's see how we can deploy it on our phone. So how to deploy the app on your phone? The first thing you do, go to your Play Store and download AppSheet. AppSheet. Once you've done that, you can see AppSheet. Then you can log in into the AppSheet, right? Log in into the AppSheet. Once you log in with the Gmail that used to create the AppSheet on your desktop or laptop, it will automatically sit on the app. Now let's see. This is the AppSheet. I'll click on the sales manager. Now this is the app. You can see this is my sheet. Everything I have here is my Google Sheet. So I will click on sales, right? Customer, you can see Miss that we just added. I can show you this is Flora. Where is it? Flora Limited, you can see. So let me show you something now. Let's say I want to put a new data. I'm on my phone. Instead of using the spreadsheet, let's say I'm outside. I can just click plus sign, right? Once I click the plus sign, I will have this, my customer name. Let's say James Limited, right? Phone number, product, let's pick something else. Let's pick rice, rice, category food, quantity, so the unit price, let's say it's 50,000 naira. You can see same thing. That sales amount by default it will generate automatically. Then sales rep, let's say Mary is our sales rep. Location Oyigbo market, Oyigbo, or let's say Ikeja. I will save it now. So let's go to our Google Sheet and see if it's truly work or not. Then I can show you my dashboard also. Yes, dashboard. You can see my dashboard. The rice is doing well. You can see James Limited just bought rice. So I can see those people that bought rice, those people that bought spaghetti, you can see, and those people that bought groundnut oil. So I will, that's it. Thank you.